Welcome to English Listening channel.
Hello everyone. Today's video is about shopping. In this video, you will follow a slow and simple story about two friends, Sam and Mina, as they go shopping around town. They visit many places: a clothing store, a shoe store, a bakery, a bookstore, and even a supermarket. You will hear many useful daily English phrases for shopping and asking for help. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What size does Sam try on at the shoe store? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Hey, Mina. Good morning.
Good morning, Sam. How are you today?
I'm great, thanks. How about you?
I'm good. I'm really excited about today. I love shopping.
Me too. I love days like this. The weather is nice too. So what are you looking for today?
I want to buy a new jacket. My old one is too warm for spring, and I also need some food for dinner tonight.
Nice. I want to buy new shoes. My old shoes are really old now. Look at them.
Oh, you do need new shoes. What else do you need?
I need a gift for my friend's birthday. Her birthday is next week.
That's nice. What kind of gift are you thinking about?
Maybe a book. She loves reading and cooking. I think a cooking book would be perfect for her.
That's a great idea. Okay, so we need to go to a clothing store, a shoe store, a bookstore, and a supermarket. That's a lot of shops.
Yes, and I'm already a little hungry. Is there a bakery near here too?
You're always hungry, Sam. Yes, I think there's one near the shoe store. We can stop there after we buy shoes.
That sounds like a good plan. I can't wait. So where should we go first?
Let's go to the clothing store first. There's a clothing store near here. Shall we go?
Sure, let's go. I'll help you choose a jacket.
Thanks, Sam. Let's go.
Hello, welcome to our store. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a jacket.
Sure. What kind of jacket are you looking for?
A light jacket for spring. Something simple and easy to wear.
Okay. How about this one? It's one of our most popular jackets.
Oh, it's nice. I like the style. What sizes do you have?
We have small, medium, and large. What size do you usually wear?
I usually wear medium. Do you have this in medium?
Yes, we do. Here you are.
Thank you. Can I try this on?
Of course. The fitting room is right over there, on the left.
Great. I'll be right back.
Take your time.
I'm back. The jacket feels great. I like the size. It fits really well. But I'm not sure about the color. I think I want something brighter.
What color would you like?
Do you have this in another color? Maybe blue or white?
We have it in blue, white, and black. Would you like to see the blue one?
Yes, please.
Here's the blue one in medium. Would you like to try it on?
I don't think I need to. The size was perfect before, and I love this blue color. How much is it?
It's $35.
That's a good price. I'll take it.
Great choice. Shall I put it in a bag for you?
Yes, please. Thank you. By the way, is there a shoe store around here?
Yes, it's on the second floor near the escalator. You can't miss it.
Oh, great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have fun shopping.
Hi there. Welcome. Can I help you find something?
Yes, please. I'm looking for sneakers. I want something comfortable for walking and jogging. I walk a lot every day, so I need good shoes.
I understand. We have many sneakers for walking and jogging. What size are you?
I'm a size 10.
Okay. How about these? They are very popular this year, and they come in many colors.
They look nice. I like the white ones. Can I try them on?
Of course. Here's a size 10. Please sit down and try them.
Thank you. These are a little too small. My toes feel tight.
I'm sorry about that. Do you want to try a bigger size? Maybe 10 and a half?
Yes, please. I think 10 and a half would be better.
Here you are. Please try these.
Oh, these are much better. They're not too big and not too small. They feel really comfortable.
That's great. They look good on you too. And I have some good news. They're on sale today. 20% off.
Really? That's wonderful. I love a good sale. So, how much are they now?
The regular price is $75, but today they are only $60.
That's a really good deal. I'll take them.
Wonderful. Would you like to wear them now, or should I put them in a box?
I'll wear them now, please. They're so comfortable. Can you put my old shoes in the box?
Sure, no problem.
Thank you. Is there a bakery near here? I'm a little hungry.
Yes, there's a nice bakery just across the street. They have great bread.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new shoes.
Hello. Welcome to our bakery. What can I get for you today?
Hi. Everything looks so good. There are so many kinds of bread.
Thank you. Everything is baked fresh every morning.
That's great. What do you recommend?
Our chocolate croissant is the most popular item in the shop. And the melon bread is very good today. It's soft and sweet. We also have fresh sandwiches if you want something for lunch.
Everything sounds delicious. The chocolate croissant sounds great. I'll have 2 chocolate croissants, please. One for me and one for my friend.
Sure. Would you like anything else?
Yes, I'll also have 1 melon bread, please. I want to try it.
Good choice. So that's 2 chocolate croissants and 1 melon bread. Is that all?
Yes, that's all. Thank you.
Okay. For here or to go?
To go, please. We still have more shopping to do today. We're going to a bookstore next.
Of course. That will be $8.50.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept cards. Please tap or insert your card here.
Okay, done. Thank you.
Great. Here's your bag. The croissants are still warm, so please be careful.
Oh, that's wonderful. They smell so good.
Thank you. I hope you and your friend enjoy them.
Thank you. By the way, is there a bookstore nearby?
Yes, there's one next to the bank. Go straight for about 2 minutes and you'll see it on the right.
That's very helpful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Come back anytime.
Hi, welcome to our bookstore. Are you looking for something today?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a gift for my friend. Her birthday is next week.
Oh, that's nice. What does your friend like?
She loves cooking. She makes dinner for her family every day.
Then how about a cooking book? We have many cooking books over here. Let me show you.
Great, thank you.
This one is very popular. It has easy recipes and beautiful pictures. It's good for beginners and experienced cooks.
Oh, let me see. The pictures are really beautiful, and the recipes look simple and delicious.
Yes, many people buy it as a gift.
I think she'll love this. I'll take it. Oh, wait. I also want to ask about another book. Do you have this travel book? My friend told me about it. It's about traveling in Japan.
Let me check for you. I'm sorry, that book is sold out right now. It was very popular last week.
Oh, that's too bad. When will you get more?
We will get more next week. Would you like me to save one for you?
That's okay. I'll come back next week to get it. Thank you for checking. But can you wrap this cooking book, please? It's a birthday gift.
Of course. Would you like a ribbon too?
Yes, please. That would be really nice.
Here you go, all wrapped up with a blue ribbon.
It looks wonderful. She's going to love it. Thank you for your help.
My pleasure.
Oh, one more thing. Is there a supermarket around here? We need to buy some food.
Yes, it's about 5 minutes from here. Go straight and turn right at the traffic light. You'll see it on the left.
Go straight and turn right. Got it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
Excuse me, I need some help. Where can I find milk?
Sure. Milk is in the back of the store on the left side. You'll see it next to the juice.
Thank you. And where are the vegetables?
Vegetables are right over there, next to the fruit. We got fresh vegetables this morning. Everything looks really good today.
Oh, that's great. I need carrots and onions for tonight's dinner. I'm going to make curry.
That sounds delicious. You'll find those in the vegetable section. Is there anything else?
Actually, yes. Where can I find snacks? I want to buy some for the week.
Snacks are in aisle 3. We have chips, cookies, and chocolate.
Aisle 3. Got it. Thank you so much. You're very helpful.
You're welcome. Take your time and let me know if you need anything else.
Hi again. I found everything I needed. I'm ready to pay now.
Great. Let me see. Milk, carrots, onions, and some cookies. Is that everything?
Yes, that's all.
Okay. Do you need a bag?
Yes, please. One bag is fine. How much is the bag?
The bag is free today. Don't worry about it.
Oh, thank you. That's very kind.
All right. Your total is $12.30.
Okay, I'll pay in cash. Here you go.
Thank you. And here's your change and your receipt. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too. Have a nice day. Okay, I'm finally done. We went to so many shops today. Sam is waiting outside. Let me go meet him.
Hey, Mina, you got everything you needed?
Yes, I got milk, carrots, onions, and some cookies. Look at all these bags.
We really bought a lot today.
We did. I'm tired, but I had a lot of fun.
Me too. I had a great time. Shopping with you is always fun, Mina.
Thanks, Sam. So, which shop was your favorite today?
My favorite shop was the shoe store. I got these great sneakers, and they were on sale, 20% off.
That was lucky. They look great on you.
Thanks. What about you? What was your favorite shop?
My favorite shop was the clothing store. I love my new blue jacket. It's perfect for spring.
It looks really nice on you. In the bakery was great too. The chocolate croissant was delicious.
Oh, yes, that was so good. I want to go there again soon.
Me too. And I think my friend will really love the cooking book. The wrapping was so beautiful.
I'm sure she'll love it. That was a great gift idea.
Thanks. Oh, and I want to go back to the bookstore next week. I want to buy that travel book about Japan. It was sold out today.
Oh, right, the one that was sold out. Good idea. You said they'll have more next week, right?
Yes, that's what the clerk said. And next time, I want to look at the supermarket more carefully. We were a little rushed today.
That's true. And I also want to look at shoes next time. I saw some cute ones at the shoe store.
Then let's come again next weekend.
Yes, let's come again. But next time, let's eat lunch first. You were hungry the whole time today.
You're right. I was hungry from the beginning. Okay, let's eat lunch first next time.
Good. It's a plan. Shopping is really fun. I can't wait for next weekend already.
Same here. Today was a really great day. Thank you for coming with me, Mina.
Thank you too, Sam. I always have a good time with you. Oh, it's getting late. We should go home.
You're right. It's been a long day. Let's head home.
See you next weekend, Sam. Good night.
Good night, Mina. See you next weekend. Bye.
Bye-bye.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What size does Sam try on at the shoe store? Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with useful daily conversation phrases for beginners. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. Also, I recently started Super Thanks. If you enjoyed this video and would like to support the channel, I would really appreciate it. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.